In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend a song in SUNO AI step by step. To get started, open SUNO AI and sign into your account. Once you're inside, head to either your library or your create page. This is where your generated songs are typically stored, so if you've already made music in SUNO, you should be able to find everything there pretty quickly. Next, browse through your generated tracks and locate the song you want to extend. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct version, especially if you've created multiple variations of the same track. That will help you avoid extending the wrong file. Once you've found the song, open the extend feature. In most cases, you can do this by clicking the three-dot menu next to the song and then selecting extend. In some views, you may also be able to open the song first and then look for an extend button directly on the track page. Either way, you're looking for the same tool. After that, choose where you want the continuation to begin. SUNO may let you extend from the very end of the track or from a specific timestamp if that option is available. If you can choose a section, pick the point where you want the new music to start. This is important because it affects how naturally the extension connects with the original song. You can also add instructions for the continuation if you want more control over the result. This part is optional, but it can be very helpful. For example, you might ask SUNO to add an emotional bridge and a powerful final chorus, continue with a guitar solo, and an energetic ending, build into a bigger drop with stronger drums, or simply keep the same style and mood. Clear prompts usually lead to more useful results. When you're ready, click generate or create and wait while SUNO produces the extended version. Once it's done, review the output carefully. Don't just assume the first result is the best one. Listen for how well the new section flows from the original and whether the energy, style, and structure feel consistent. It's also a good idea to compare the original version, the extended version, and any alternate generation SUNO gives you. This makes it much easier to choose the version that sounds the most polished and natural. If needed, you can repeat the extension process again to add more verses, create a bridge, lengthen an instrumental section, or build the idea into a full-length track. Once you're happy with the result, save your favorite version and rename it if you want easier organization later. Finally, open the completed song, click download, and choose your preferred format such as MP3 or WAV depending on your plan. And that's how to extend a song in SUNO AI.